This is grade 3 and it's the Cuckoos, and we're going to do left hand. So I'll talk you through it. This is middle C here. You've got your thumb on D and your 3 on B. So you play this one and then you have some rests. So come off, you repeat it, and then you jump to 2 and 4 on C sharp and A sharp. Then you repeat, back up to B and D. Repeat. This time you go to 5 and 2 on F sharp and C sharp. I'm going to play that first line again. Okay, at the end of that, we repeat that one that we're on, F sharp and C sharp, and then you have to totally come off and go down to D sharp and B. Repeat that, up to E and C sharp. Repeat that, twist, F sharp and D. So they go up by step. Then C sharp with your 2. Then tuck your thumb under to B and open up your hand on B, F sharp, B. Okay, I'm going to play that second line again. Okay, third line. So we've got B and D again. Exactly the same as the first line. Jump down to D sharp and B. Twisting up. This time you play your C sharp, but you have a little quick rest and then you go B, F sharp, B, and then bottom B. I'm going to do that last line. Okay, from the beginning.